This is a 5-minute meditation for inner healing. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let go of anything weighing on your mind and heart today. Take this moment to pause, breathe, and give yourself the space for inner healing. Allow yourself to be fully present for these few moments. Let your heart soften and just breathe. Begin by focusing on your breath, breathing in deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air. Then, slowly releasing air through your mouth, letting go of stress, tension, or any discomfort. As you rest, with your body at ease, imagine healing and releasing any negative emotions or pain. Now, bring your attention to the area of your body or mind that needs healing. Picture a soft, warm light, gently surrounding and nurturing the part of you that needs it most. As the light grows brighter, feel its warmth and see its glow. As you continue to breathe gently, silently recite the following affirmations. I am whole. I am healing. I am strong enough to heal. As we come to the end of this meditation, take one final deep breath. Know that you are whole, you are healing, and you are strong. Carry this peace and inner strength with you throughout the day. Namaste.